Up next, we've got a wonderful performer here tonight. Her name is Jiyun Sung. And throughout the concert this evening, we will be serenaded by the sounds of the Daegeum, a Korean transverse bamboo flute. Jiyun is a Daegeum performer, improviser, and composer who explores new musical territories through continuous experimentation. Her work is driven by curiosity and a desire to question and expand traditional boundaries, leading to the development of her own distinctive sound and musical language. Since 2021, she has been based in Seoul while collaborating with contemporary artists across Paris, Berlin, and other cities around the world. An award winning and highly accomplished performer, Jiyun's recent works and projects include the ongoing concert series La Trace and Liquid Sound, where she is a featured artist in both Supercritical Fluid and the Improvised Music series. She is also the founder and leader of MOIM, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Meeting of Improvised Musicians, a platform fostering collaboration and creative exchange among improvising artists. Tonight, she will premiere a new work by composer Ka Nin Chan, who I will now invite to come up to the stage to talk about his composition, Once.
By chance, tonight's concert is very special in that there are many young performers. We just heard the Canadian Children's Chorus, the opera chorus, and you'll hear later on young guzheng players and young Japanese dancers. And it's great to see the next generation children learning the performing arts of the old countries and carry on the tradition. As you know, the Asian Heritage Month is supported by the government. And the government wants us to address an issue, and that is the racism and anti-racism. And to answer that, we have a poet and a teacher. And she has written a poem called Love It Make Us One. And we'll hear that piece soon. And in that piece, there's also children. We have 6 children from 2 families participating. One of the, and they are Griffins, Cindy Griffins and Bo Carancha's family. They're over there. And of course, Bosan is my daughter as well. So there's, in this piece, you see the first performance of this young composer, the young children. And also the next piece, Once, that Tanya introduced, it's a piece, Once as in once we were young. And this in 3 movements. The first movement is Little Birds. And I try to imagine the conversation between a young person and a bird. The second movement is Go My Own Way. And it captures the young people want to do their own thing. The third is the Curiosity. And this 3 movement will be presented in 3 separate occasions, depicting the journey of a young child. And so we are very glad that for this piece, that the Daegeum player from Seoul can come all the way from Seoul to Toronto to participate. And for this project, we received support from the Ontario Arts Council and the Toronto Arts Council, and also from Korea, Council Korea, and Liquid Sand. Liquid Sand, yes. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce our special guest, this Jiyun Song.